A rectangular prism has volume of 8x cubed plus 14x square plus x minus 2 and a height of 2x plus 1. Which expression represents the area of the base of the prism? So we know volume equals to base area times height, right? So here is volume equals to 8x cubed plus 14x square plus x minus 2. So we can write this one. We have to find out the area. So we can write base area equals to, it would be volume divide height, right? So here volume is, we can write 8x cubed plus 14x square plus x minus 2 and divide 2x plus 1. So there are different way we can find out the value. So here we are using polynomial long division. So how can we solve this one? First, here is a 8x cubed plus 14x square plus x minus 2. So just make this one and we will divide this one by 2x plus 1. So first, in this expression, the first term is 8x cubed and we will divide here. The divisor is 2x plus 1 and we will divide by 2x. So 8 divide 2, it will be 40. It will be 4, right? And x cube divide x, it will be x square. So now what can we do? It's a very simple. 4x square plus 2x, it will be 8x cube, and then 4x square times 1, it will be plus 4x square. Now very simple, we are subtracting, minus, the sign will be changed. So 8x cube and minus 8x cube, so it will be out, and 14x square minus 4x square, it will be 10x square, and here everything will be unchanged. It means plus x minus 2. Now here is a 10x square and here is a 2x. Once you divide, 10 divide 2 is a 5 and x square divide x is a x. So we can write here is 5x. So 10x square and 5x times 1, it will be plus 5x. Now sign will be changed. Here is a minus, here is also minus. 10x square and 10x square, it will be out. X minus 5x, it will be what? Minus 4x, and here is minus 2. Now here is a minus 4x divide 2x, it will be minus 2x, right? So this case, so x and x out, not minus 2x. We can simplify like this, 4 minus 4x divide 2x. So 4 divide 2 is a 2 and x out, so it would be minus 2. So minus 2 times 2x, it will be minus 4x, and minus 2 times 1, it will be minus 2. Now sign will be changed. Here is a plus, here is also plus. Now look, minus 4x plus 4x out, minus 2 plus 2 out, here is a 0. So what will be the result? Result is 4x square plus 5x minus 2. So this is our result. We can write in here 4x square plus 5x minus 2. So what will be the correct one? Here is a 4x square plus 5x minus 2. It means number A. Number A is our required answer. So this is very important. Here, these kinds of math we can follow synthetic method or long division method. Anyway, we can find out the value, and it would be 4x square plus 5x minus 2. I hope this kinds of math will help you. Please subscribe my channel. Almost every day I am trying to solve algebraic expression, sequence, exponential matter, lots of math. So next video will come very soon. Till then, take care, keep practice. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.